You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this town, city. It's a city, isn't it? In Italy, northern Italy. I know in English I think the pronunciation is probably as Varese, right? Varese, that's the English pronunciation, so I guess it's worth what it is. It's like we don't say Roma in Italian, we say Rome, right? So in English it's Varese generally, but the genuine, correct one, some could say, Italian pronunciation is as Varese, Varese. So you could say it as Varese, would be a lot better than Varese. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.